What's up, guys? So we just won a Volkswagen Jetta 2008. It has 140,000 miles. It's an '08, but the thing is clean. I don't know what. No check engine light. AC blows cold. You can see it's a really good looking car. Really nice tires on it. But, I'll show y'all. I see the inside looks really good. Looks really clean in here. Silver on silver. It's really nice. So, got a light tint on it. That's pretty cool, man. It's just clean. So that's what we won today for $2,500. So we'll see what we get out of it. Okie doke. So it's all paid up, ready to go. All paid up and ready to go. Let's see. Oh, and thanks, bro. Look. You already know this is a good car. Okay, all the windows and stuff works. Turn that AC off until we find out what's going on with it. Let's just check out the car first before we even drive it. What's up, guys? So we got the car. It's at 140,000 miles. I need to stop and get some gas really quick. But it's a really clean car. It drives really good. The miles on here says either 146.65 or 146.65. So either way, we need to get an oil change right now and really just make sure it runs really good. Guys, it can't get any better than this. A half a tank on $20. Like, come on, guy. I think I'm gonna love this little car. We're back at the house. We made it back. You just get a quick side view of the car. I checked it out before I left. I forgot to get that clip, but here it is. I'll let you guys see the motor and stuff. So of course it's been sitting at the tow yard for about 3 or 4 months. So I mean, I'd expect it to be dirty a little bit, but the oil, I was looking at the gauge in the window, the oil is needs to be changed at right at 140. So we're gonna change that anyway. All the fluids check out. I drove it about 30 miles to my crib, and had the AC on full blast, no lights or nothing, no check engine lights. It's a clean little car. I really enjoy it, honestly. It's really clean. I like it. So yeah, this one won't be a rebuild. Hopefully, we're gonna pray and hope for the best, that everything is still okay with it, and that it's A1. And so the funny thing is, the tow guy that actually towed the car from wherever it was, he said that he actually found it at the Tropicana Hotel here in Las Vegas, and it was double parked. And I guess after they had found out after the people whose car was found out who towed it or whatever, they went up there and it came out to be an older lady and her niece, I guess. And so they was arguing about who was going to pay for it or who had to pay for it. And so long story short, they pretty much just got all their stuff out the car and was just forget the car. So they didn't pay their fees. So I kind of lucked up here. Yeah, that's an unfortunate situation, but we all have them. It's life. So good for me though.